Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
So, oh yeah, it came out. So unless they ain't wrecked on the track, we didn't think the airbags came out, but they did. So that's a total loss at the racetrack that he gonna have to cover, because I'm not supposed to have them bitches on the track. Damn. Don't follow. It's sad to say don't follow. I do. Alright, gang, we still out here, man. They done cleared the track off. They just resurfacing and everything, getting everything good. But you see, they done brought some pressure out here, bro. It's done showed up now. Yes, sir. I like that. Alright, gang, so we still out here. It's getting cold, no lie. It's like it's getting cold, so I'm like, I'm trying to get this lighting together for y'all. There you go. Ooh, I like that beat. I wonder why he got the car running. Hey, why he running the car? I know it's got a super cooler on it, but
once I put chillers on my shit, I'll have 119 or less intake temperature. Right now my intake temperature is like 230, 240.
yeah. Super slot thing, but y'all see it.
Basically, we got 500 miles on this shit.
And he out here running it? I thought you had to whip the mark. You
see this shit on? He just got it. He just got it. He got that bitch on the way here. He unlocked that bitch on the way here.
Oh, he knew he was running that hole.
He knew.
Man, that bitch got the inner tillers on and everything. But nah, this junk here.
Last thing is jumping
Hey. So they finna start the digs again.
Similar fair generation Camaro's coming up next. Power side Camaro with a wrap on it, looks pretty cool. Gotta watch this one.
He good. We good on him. He good. He good.
Before you go down the track, you have to turn the tech card into their tech.
That is
Which is down by the EC chat. You have to turn the tech card in, sign the waiver, get an armband, and have a number put on your car. Please don't pull the safety lane unless you have that number. You're going to be going right there. March 12th, very similar to the 1320X. Take you to the track. Sometimes they bring out the local police guys and they bring their cruisers out here. You get to race against a cop. Kind of cool. Roll race against a cop or heads up race. Pretty neat. Usually the cops get beat up on pretty bad. Got a lot of tests and tunes. Tests and tunes almost every Wednesday and Friday. Take advantage of the tests and tunes right now. The weather's really good. Truck is no sloppy. 12 seconds on the last pass. Count under 12 seconds to stop left.
Y'all see that McLaren thing got hill 720s thing, carbon fiber everywhere. Y'all know that bitch gonna go crazy. Let him run the Tesla Plaid, bro. Line him in the Plaid up. Let's go. Give us what we want. Who you got?
Shut it off way early, 14:45 and 88. Sometimes with the new current, when you spin and your traction control's on, it'll actually shut the motor down. Lose a lot of time on it. Definitely a lot less.
What's up, Brandon? Left and right.
Right side.
Suits. I feel like jumping in.
Just 'cause it's clean.
It's personal.
You went with the red that you came with?
Huh?
You went with the red you came with?
And it
Yes.
But like I said, gang, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops. Man, this was a good time, man. I had a good time. Shout out to the home team, Wide Open Throttle. We out here in these streets. I'm about to slide back to the crib because I'm done with this. And my pants keep falling. I hate when my pants fall off my ass like that, bruh. For real.